Today, I'm comparing two different days in my life as a product designer. One working from the office, another spending a full day at the library.
Yeah, I said yet another day in my life as a product designer video. Let's go. Okay, so today I am going to the office in person, but I have like a half day because I have an appointment for my UK visa. So I'm going to that first and then I'm going to the office. Actually, I'm going to go to the office, then go to the appointment, then go back to the office. So that's the plan. So come along with me. Summer, where have you gone? Summer, where have you gone? Because this weather, it's not giving summer. It's giving late spring or early autumn.
I don't go into the office often, but today I did because my UK visa appointment was nearby, making it convenient to work from the office afterwards. The office is located downtown, and on days without track delays, it usually takes me around 45 minutes to get there. After my appointment, I caught up with a few colleagues, grabbed some snacks for lunch, and then tucked myself away in a quiet corner to focus on my task for the day.
This is what I'm having for lunch. I have berry, it says Greek vanilla yogurt, berry parfait. That's what I'm having. I'm having the plantain and some of this. So that's all I'm having. I can probably have something before I leave later in the day, but I want to get some work done. So yeah, this is like my focus time now. Let's get work done.
My main focus was preparing for an upcoming presentation for our product design monthly meeting. I was repurposing a presentation that I had given to the execs earlier in the year, updating it to showcase the progress our team had made on the key feature. Initially, I wasn't sure how to approach the changes, but after working through it for a while, the direction became much more clearer. By the end of the day, I had a solid plan for the presentation and left the office feeling productive and satisfied.
Guys, today we're going to be walking out of the library, so come along with me. Let's get some work done. It's kind of like a cool day today, and for a few days now, it's just been giving an interesting summer vibe, like not the regular summer vibe. I don't like what it's giving. It's giving like it's almost, summer is almost done. It's giving like we're just getting into summer. Please. I don't want the hot summer vibe, but give a little bit of sunshine. Okay, it's actually shining. Or give us just a little bit. Don't give us too much. Don't give us the, that 24, 26. Give us like the 18s or the 20s, Actually, that said, I feel like it's probably 22, 24 today. It's not hot. It's not hot. Am I the only one that forgets to use their lip gloss and then they'll start licking their lip? Like, really? Really? Anyway, I should have a lip gloss in my bag. So, it should be good.
Today, I chose to walk from my favorite spot, which is the North York Library. It's my go-to place when I need a change of scenery from working at home. I started the day with a front row seat to watch how they clean the massive library windows. The library itself is huge, filled with quiet nooks perfect for focusing, and being surrounded by books always put me in a productive mood. I even booked a quiet room for meetings, which came in handy for my 2 scheduled calls. The first was our weekly team stand-up, where we shared something fun or exciting from the past week.
So I went to the movies to see Wolverine and Deadpool, and I didn't even realize that Ryan Reynolds is a Canadian, so there were a lot of Canadian references in the movie, And to be honest, I don't like Deadpool, but because I feel like it's too, I don't know, the humor is kind of like on the other end. So I felt like I wouldn't enjoy this one, but I could actually love um, Wolverine and the other series, right? So I wanted to see how they will combine it, and it seems like it worked out pretty well. It was, and then I think in the beginning there was like a scene where they were playing, like he was fighting with some of the bad guys, and then they started playing Backstreet Boys, one of like the old songs, and then that kind of took me back to my childhood because I was like a really big fan of Backstreet Boys. So yeah. So today I came with 2 bottles of water. Normally, I'll bring one bottle and I'll use this bottle to fetch from the water fountain. But the day that I saw someone blowing his nose into the water fountain, I'm like, hey, guy, this guy was blowing his nose profusely into the water fountain. And that's the same place people will go and put their mouth and be drinking. So today I'm just like, see, I can't get that image out of my head. So today I brought 2 bottles. I finished one. There's still one left. And if this one finishes, I'm not even sure where I'll get water from because I'm not gonna buy. But ew, can't get that image out of my head. The meeting we just finished up is a stand-up meeting, and next I have a one-on-one with my PM. I'm working on a project with him. He was out for about a week, and now he's back, so I want to catch him up with what I have done. Yes, that is my 1 minute reminder to say that my meeting is about to start. So I'm just joining the meeting, but my PM isn't here yet, so I'm going to give him a few minutes to join. And hopefully the next person using the phone doesn't come. If they come, I'm going to hop out there, so I'm going to packing my stuff and ensure that once they come, all I need to do is spend long time.
One of my library workday habits is to eat a big breakfast and pack some fruits and cookies to snack on throughout the day, mainly to avoid the outrageous food cost rises. During my last meeting, my PM partner told me he was leaving the organization, which made me emotional, especially since we worked so well together. As the day progressed, I stayed focused on my project, determined to make significant headway before my PM's departure. Designers, am I the only one who bends their head at a weird angle when trying to inspect a design up close? A few hours later, it was time to call it a day. As you can see, no 2 days in the life of a product designer are ever the same. Some days are filled with meetings and collaboration, while others are spent in deep focus. The flexibility to adapt to different environments and challenges is one of the things I love most about my work. Every day brings something new, and that's what keeps it exciting.